Dean Davison, LiveWeatherBlogs.com meteorologist. Big issue starting here in the Mid-Atlantic states here, southern Mid-Atlantic. We're going to be in for a walloping of snow, sleet, and freezing rain. We're going to go into it as we speak. We also have some winter weather advisories back here in the west, but we're going to be concentrating ourselves on the areas of Virginia and Kentucky and parts of North Carolina upcoming here. Alright, let's go into winter storm warnings for Roanoke, Lynchburg, Farmville, Withville, Bluefield, Lewisburg, the whole Roanoke Valley, New River Valley, south side of Virginia, all under winter storm warning. This is going to get really interesting. There's not a warning in the Triad, and up toward Charlottesville, we're under a winter weather advisory. A little bit less in the way of snow, sleet, freezing rain, but still going to be accumulating. Let's take a look. If you all remember, the idea that I had the other day was to have some pretty good snowfall to occur. I started off with 1 to 3 2 nights ago, and I upped it last night to 2 to 5. And it's going to be, it could be just outside the 2 to 5. We're looking at 4 to 6 now inches of snow, and this is very favorable now. This will mix with sleet, and we will have some icing, but the thing is, I explained the other day, is if we get more on the way of snow, we could have a little bit more snow. This is where we're talking about. The fact that we're going to be a little further away from the low pressure system is going to allow us to have more snow versus sleet and freezing rain, which increases the snow amount. Alright, I'll go looking a little bit further into snow amounts the Weather Service is looking at, and I'm very much agreeing with them. We have this generalized area, and this includes parts of Bedford County, parts of Roanoke. This whole area here, Blacksburg, Roanoke, goes through where I live, parts of Bedford County, 6 plus. We're talking 6 inches. I'm going to go out on a limb here. Isolated area could have 8. Outside that would be your 4 to 6. And that would include Lynchburg, that would include Covington, that would include Withville. And then you get down toward Martinville, we're talking about 3 inches. And you get into Triad. This forecast is very accurate. That's the 1 to 3. Well, this is the snowfall that the Weather Service put out. I'm very confident with what the Weather Service has come apart. The models have come really well together to increase the snowfall. And it increases because of the lack of a lot of ice and a lot of freezing rain. We're still going to have it, but we're not going to have as much in the Roanoke general proper Stewartsville, Blacksburg areas. Okay, we'll take a look at ice accretion. Here's our ice accretion, and when we take a look at this, this is 1/10, and that's going to be back towards Galax. We're going to have a 0.05 to 10th, and like 1/100th of an inch of ice in the Roanoke area, just south. So there's our ice accretion. Current temperatures which are setting up this snowfall tonight: 32 Roanoke, 25 Blacksburg, 23 Galax, 22 Bluefield, 21 Lewisburg, 18 Hot Springs, no report in Staunton or Martinsville, 33 in Annville, 33 in the city of Lynchburg, the Hell City. Alright. And further south and around the country: 21 Boston, 32 Washington, 27 Louisville, 31 Kansas City, 17 Minneapolis, 61 Miami, 77 Dallas. Nice warm air in Dallas, Texas right now. 52 Santa Fe, 59 Los Angeles, 45 Seattle, 39 Billings. Here comes the storm. It's going to make a dive and aim its bullseye right on the Roanoke Valley. 6 inches of snow looks likely out of the system now, and this will start overnight tonight. I'm going to say Washington, D.C. People have asked about Washington in the chat room a lot. Washington may receive an inch to 2 now in this storm, and then we have another situation coming up for Saturday that we haven't even stepped on yet, and I'm going to step on that in the overnight outlook, because right now I'm trying to push out the most information about the storm coming within the next 12 hours before I get into Saturday. Okay, 60% chance of starting snow overnight. Inch to 2 by morning. I won't be surprised when I come to the liveweatherblog.com overnight outlook. We talk about snow actually occurring. Maybe a picture or two if it is, comes up. If not, it'll be tomorrow morning when I start taking pictures for the storm. Um, we're looking at 20 degrees, and then we're going to get blasted Thursday. We're talking 3 to 7 inches of snow, and I say 6 to 8 because I'm going to use the orographic lift situation here where I'm at, and around Roanoke that could be an interesting situation. 31 degrees. Then we get snow mixing a little bit with some freezing rain and sleet, which will only make the traveling situation worse. For Thursday night, 28 degrees, 37, mostly cloudy on Friday. Then we get Friday night, 27, 36 on Saturday. Next chance of a next storm, Saturday and Saturday night. And we clear out for Sunday into Monday. And here for the Triad region, we got 1 to 2 inches possible. I'm saying at least an inch of snow in the Triad region. 25 degrees, and then rain and snow mix, turning all to rain. 36 on Thursday. Rain Thursday night. Friday, we're back into mostly cloudy skies with 43. Chance of rain Friday night. And then Saturday with ending of snow. We will go into that later. And then Saturday night clearing out, going into next week. So winter storm warning is in effect for the greater Roanoke Valley, up through south side, the New River Valley, coming up towards Covington. And the rest of the area is under winter weather advisory for just a little bit less snow, 2 to 4 inches. So what we're looking at now is a major winter storm to affect the Roanoke Valley. For LiveWeatherBlogs.com, this is Dean D. Davison, meteorologist, and I'll be with you with the overnight outlook tonight. I'll be adding the maps as we go along on the written version of this. And I'll see you all in the chat room. Dean D. Davison, LiveWeatherBlogs.com.